Hey everyone, this is just a super quick video to show you what my display looks like clean. I get a lot of questions as to what I use, what kind of pan I use. Well, I use this OD plastic washing machine pan, and there's the dimensions. And I buy it at Menards. You can buy it on my Amazon link that's in the description. I'm sure Lowe's or Home Depot or even a place that would sell washing machines, they probably have them too. There's some other brands. Some have holes in them for tubes, and this one does not. And then my bars are, this is what they are. They are what you would use to hang shelving, metal shelving on your walls, and they're 3 feet long, and so you can see they're hollow on the inside, just a curve. And so that is what my display looks like. Thanks so much. Hope this helps. Bye.